This is a new gym that just opened that we delivered to, called Train Station Fitness Center. It's got everything, punching bags, cages, all sorts of weight machines, calf raises. And if we come on this side, you can see they've got their dumbbell section, all of their strength that they have in the center. Every piece you can think of, they reupholstered everything. Made it all black and red. Here's your center, got some preacher curls, benches. Over here they got more cages. All of these stations. Here's the opposite side of their strength. There's a little bit more of their strength stuff on the other side. Some leg presses. And if you come over here, they've got some Stairmasters, some 95X ellipticals, Cybex arc trainers, and Life Fitness, and one Star Trek treadmills. And they got all sorts of bikes, spin bikes, and uprights. It's an awesome gym.